Hello everyone, welcome on GK Talks. You can find educational videos on my channel, and today I am here with the new video related to social studies. Chapter we are going to discuss is India and the United Nations, chapter number 17. In this video, we'll learn about India's contribution to the United Nations, India and the United Nations. So let's start. India is one of the founding members of the United Nations organization. The country has been a member of United Nations since it was formed in 1945. It has always stood for peace and played an important role in the UN's effort for world peace. India vigorously campaigned that all countries ruled by other countries should be freed. In 1960, India succeeded in getting a resolution passed. India has also benefited from a number of programs organized by various UN agencies. Indian Armed Forces have been used as peacekeeping forces in the Middle East, Cyprus, it is a country in the Middle East, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and Sudan. India's Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the first women president of the General Assembly. 3 Indian judges, namely B.N. Rao, Nagendra Singh, and R.S. Pathak, have been appointed in the International Court of Justice. The UN Secretariat has a number of Indian officers on roll. Indian experts have worked for UN agencies like the UNESCO. Many UN agencies are working in India. The FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, has helped in the development of farming and fishing. UN advisors have helped India in many sectors, such as increasing the production of milk and milk products. The WHO, World Health Organization, helped to train health officers and nurses. It established medical facilities in remote places and tribal areas. It has also helped in eradication of many diseases. We have also been host to students and teachers from developing countries where such facilities have yet to come up. These exchange programs are arranged by the UN agencies. Now let's talk about India and the United Nations. India is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council. However, India has been elected several times for a seat in the Security Council, for example during 1984 and 85 and 1991 and 92. India played a prominent role in putting forward the concerns of developing countries at the United Nations. India actively opposed the policy of considering black as inferior to white in South Africa. This policy was known as apartheid. Finally, due to the pressure of the United Nations and the countries like India, apartheid was abolished and the United Nations had good relations with South Africa only after this. While the Aswan Dam was being constructed in Egypt, there was the danger of some ancient temples being submerged. The temples were lifted and reconstructed at another site. Before the dam was filled, Indian archaeologists were also part of the expert team who performed this miraculous feat. Many Indians are working in the UN agencies. India has also received help from time to time from the agencies for its development programs. Hundreds of Indian experts are sent every year to other countries to help in the activities of the UN. India has also served as member of UN bodies, including the Economic and Social Council, the Human Rights Commission, and the Disarmament Commission. Thank you for watching. You can check my other videos related to social studies. Links are flashing on your screen. You can check all that. Thank you. Bye-bye.